like, I don't want to hear it. I'm in my Skims bodysuit. Never thought I'd ever use this, but here we are. Huge disclaimer. I have no one home to help me zip it. I have a broken finger as well. Cannot do it myself. Today we're doing a lingerie haul. My niece calls it lingerie. Mr. YouTube is watching, so we just have to be like friendly. Welcome to the first part of the $500 lingerie spicy clothes haul from YESSTYLE. That's why she got her birthday suit on. Because it is around the holidays and you probably want to spice things up with yourself. This video makes you feel uncomfortable, please feel free to exit out now. As most of us Lindas already know, here we're super open about sex wellness, women empowerment, self-care, self-love. There's nothing wrong finding confidence in yourself and your body and spicing things up. You should feel the freedom and independence to explore with yourself and express yourself however you want. Because women empowerment, self-love, self-confidence. I thought it was super festive to get a Santa set. The furs everywhere. How do you... it just goes right over your head. Anything about this looks too funny, bruh. A little skirt. Ooh. Like a one-size-fit-all situation. It is stretchy, so I mean, there's that. Okay. Mr. YouTube, I have clothes on, okay? And I have my knee-wide bra underneath. There's nothing to fear here. Oh, we have a top. Super cute. Okay, so the top looks like this. Oh, beautiful. What the heck? It already broke. Oh, golly. Eensy, beensy, teensy, weensy. Panties. That goes underneath like a G-string. Clearly, we're not doing that. Oh, how's it looking? My armpits are sweating. I tried. It could be cute. I do like this skirt. I think the skirt's fun. Look, you can see like, oh my god. I do like the little ruffles. I think it gives like cute dimension. It's not even like nicely made. Holes. 1.5 out of 5. I'm like highly doubting myself right now. Just not worth it. Okay, this is the next one. It's actually so much better in terms of quality. It's baby blue. It has floral tracing, satining. Free judgment zone now. Also, there's little strappies. Good justice to your belly rolls. Well, isn't this the most awkward thing I've ever done on camera? This blue bra actually is super cute. I really like the lacing detail on the straps. Okay. If I'm guesstimating with my sense of touch, I would be spilling, which will probably help the set stand out more. Again, I do like the swiggle straps and the floral see-through lace here. Pretty cute. I'm hopeful that this one will look a lot more spicy without all this. I'm not a huge fan of strings like this. Don't think it's the most fitting to my body. Remember that one meme where there's like this guy who looked like a pancake and he's flapping, he's just like running? I look like him. Okay, 4.8 out of 5. This one's cute. My experiences with YESSTYLE panties, there's no security whatsoever. It's literally like a face mask. Got this because of this slip-on. Love the color. It's more of this maroon red, very silky, satiny, and then this cream floral is supposed to look more like gold. I redo this. It's one size. It's supposed to fit everyone. Doesn't stretch. Oh. It's cute so far. I'm not too keen on the no stretch. Does this strap adjust? Oh my god, thank god. Okay. Here's a little small. It's a tight one. Kangaroo pouch is prominent. Can you see how naturally my chesty besties go up all the way up here? There's no issue that it's way low. I'm just saying, it'd be like popping out everywhere. You can totally tell by the side of my armpit. Yeah, the back, like this is cute. I love the slip and the colors are super complementary to one another. So silky and soft. Oh, you're supposed to like tie this behind you, but like, girl, it's okay. This slip is actually super sexy. However, all this extra stuff is just like, not even hanging out, just like forced out, being held against its will. Oh, it's so cute. The slit's my favorite part. I'll give this a 3 out of 5 only because it doesn't fit my body. If you're tinier than me, girl, chef's kiss. Oh my god, let's do something sporty. What is this? It's printed on. Basketball, baby. So short, oh my god. Basketball on the booty. Number 23. Oh, it's supposed to be red? Not on you. Bustier, wider. Oh, don't you forget. Let's talk about the sleeves. I mean, I have nothing to say. This is horrible. Hear me out, hear me out. The red just kind of ends right here and then the white starts. So from afar, it makes me look a little slimmer, a little thinner than I am. The back part, it's fine. Oh, wait. Girl, more than anything, these socks look like real thigh-high knee socks. Ooh, for my big calf queen. The socks are loose, so they actually like fit up pretty well. Okay, I think I'll keep the socks. Can you see like my natural set? It starts here. I mean, that could be kind of cute. Like underneath Chesty Bestie skin. I cannot take myself seriously. 1 out of 5. Okay, it's about time we do something more casual. I feel like this is a little bit more like pajama sets. Why does it look like this on me? The top part, super loose. There's no adjusting to the straps. Too long, I'm feeling. Oh, godly. The pants are way too long for me too, so I'm rolling them right now. I don't know. As you can see on the bottom part, there is this like lettuce lace ruffling consistent to the shorts. The ruffling itself looks pretty clean. Don't know if I personally wear this. This pink is throwing me off. Actually, I don't think I need to roll it up. Like, this is fine. Do I look fine? Don't answer that. I'm out here looking like the grown-up version of DW. She really said grown-up version of DW. Who? Again, who? This scarf is really cute, so maybe check that out. While we're at it, like I did get this new puffer coat from Lip Hop. Like, how cute. I'll make sure to link the scarf and the coat. I'm gonna have to give this a 1.5 out of 5. Earrings. So this one comes with a lot of pieces. Our face mask. A little apron. I think there's supposed to be 2. I think this goes on your neck. I mean, this is definitely more cosplay-esque. I do like the hearts and the print of the actual fabric. Feels a little bit more dolly. Ruffles on the flapped sleeves, bows. I kind of like the apron look. Wide, cover up a lot more. I appreciate the consistency of the prints. I feel like this could be flattering on the Chesty Besties because you have this crisscross. Kind of helps trace and enlarge the area with the V-cut straps here. G-string, thong, whatever you want to call it. Not as comfortable. It's just interesting seeing how these models make these lingerie, spicy clothes look very intriguing and stylish online. But when I see it in person, it's just like, eh, it is YESSTYLE. So like, you know. I think if you want something easy and super lighthearted, fun, go for it. I think they have like pretty fun cosplay looking lingerie. 2 out of 5. Oh, bottoms, actual bottoms. I love spicy undies that have straps that go diagonally like this. Gives you like a smaller waist, the magic it does. There you go, cuppy cup. Okay. I think this is supposed to fall in between, you know, the cracks. The strings right here that I really do like, it cuts you like tinier. So I highly recommend for beginner girlies in the spicy area. If you have a bit of a tummy and you're a little bit demure about that, just get lingerie that has like more of a cut. Normally, the straps will just kind of sit in the indentations of your hips anyway. And then your belly pouch and tummy acts for like cushion. I'm not like fond of the top. It's giving knockoff. I'm like a little turned off by that. The underwear is actually like way better quality than the top part. It feels like clothes made for Barbie. A 2 out of 5. This is the last one. Honestly, I might really like this one. This is supposed to sit underneath the Chesty Bestie. I like the idea. They're gonna hold your girlies in place. It's not like it has wiring underneath to make it more structured. It could be just floppy. Of course, again, we have another face mask. I guess we'll put this on for kids and shiggles. I am gonna admit, I have a couple of these. So fun to spice it up. I think it's flattering if you don't really have like a booty to show off. Holy crap, this one's tight though. The ones I have, normally you just strap it on and you Velcro it. Ooh, this one could be fun. The bow tie to accessorize. I kind of like this. I'm not really into like accessorizing. This looks, no. I like how this sits underneath the twins. That's very sexy and like spicy. I do really like the spicy skirts on YESSTYLE because they are very short, so it's like enough to cover up, but then, you know, you could show whatever you want to show. Use your imagination. I personally like how high I can adjust it to come up or down. I really adore this skirt. A lot more flattering on an apple shape like me. I'm gonna give it the highest rating. Did I do a 4.8 out of 5 already? I feel like I already did. That's pretty much it for the spicy clothing haul. Let me know if you guys want to see part 2. More creative pieces for part 2. Like this video if you want to see that. If you do want an actual guide on what's fitting if your body shape's like mine, girl, you came to the right place. Let me do a separate video for that. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!
Even if you try